Do you remember what kind of silly mistakes you made when you first started learning English? Of course, I made a lot too. As a non-native English learner, I'm recording this vlog series, something called Comprehensible Input, to share real life in China and to help us to learn and improve our English together. So far, I've recorded and released more than 14 videos. And I'm so happy that more than 420 friends have already joined me on this journey. We learn English together, we explore the interesting local side of life in China, and we are building a supportive community of non-native speakers. Thank you so much, my dear friends. And of course, to all the new friends who are about to join this wonderful journey. Whether you are an English beginner, an advanced learner, or simply curious about life in China, warmly welcome. During this journey, you can imagine how many silly mistakes I have made. And I know you have probably made some too, because every non-native learner goes through this stage. So, in today's video, I want to do something really special. I will share and recap some of the most typical mistakes that I made. But don't worry, it's not only about mistakes. I will also show you the correct and more natural way to say these sentences. Let's go through them step by step and correct them together. This way, you will not only learn, but also remember it better. It's very important to think directly by English. The correct one? It's very important to think directly in English. The more natural one. It's really important to think straight in English. So today, for my first video, I want to show you guys around for my neighborhood. The correct one? So today, for my first video, I want to show you guys around my neighborhood. The more natural one. So today, in my first video, I want to show you guys around my neighborhood. Talking about pass through, this reminded me a very interesting story happened to me like 5 or 6 years ago when I worked in Tanzania. The correct one? Talking about passing through. It reminds me of a really interesting story from about 5 or 6 years ago when I was working in Tanzania. The colleagues asked me, where you saw me? The correct one? The guy, my colleague, asked me where I saw him. The more natural one? So this guy, one of my colleagues, asked me, where did you see me? I really enjoy to walk around in this neighborhood. I really like it. The correct one? I really enjoy walking around this neighborhood. I like it a lot. It should be belongs to the fisherman there. The correct one? It should belong to the fisherman over there. The more natural one. It probably belongs to the fisherman over there. All these are buildings and have a lot of apartments, and my apartment is one of these. The correct one? All these buildings have a lot of apartments, and my apartment is in one of them. The more natural one. These buildings are full of apartments, and mine is in one of them. All these are clouds. The correct one? These are all clouds. The more natural one. Look, they are all clouds. I enjoy rainy weather. I enjoy rainy day. The correct one? I enjoy rainy weather. I enjoy rainy days. The more natural one. I really like rainy weather. I love rainy days. I really recommend for all of you to repeat, to write it down, to read it every single day. The correct one? I really recommend that all of you repeat it, write it down, and read it every single day. The rain gets bigger now. The correct one? The rain is getting heavier now. The more natural one. Wow, the rain is really coming down now. I think I already finished the introduction of my neighborhood. The correct one? I think I have already finished introducing my neighborhood. The more natural one. I think that's it for my neighborhood tour. But this video is not about to teach you guys English. It's about to improve English together with all of you. The correct one? In this video, it's not about teaching you English. It's about improving English together with all of you. The more natural one. So, in this video, it's not really about me teaching you English. It's about us improving English together. I want to improve my personal English, and other side, I want to show interesting things, show things in China to all of you. The correct one? I want to improve my English. And on the other side, I want to show interesting things in China to all of you. The more natural one. I want to work on my English. And at the same time, share some interesting things from China with you guys. Don't forget to write down in the comments where you come from. I'm so happy for that. The correct one? Don't forget to let me know in the comments where you are from. I'd be so happy to see that. The more natural one. Don't forget to share in the comments where you are from. I'd love that. I'm going to ride a bicycle in a beautiful lake. The correct one? I'm going to ride a bicycle around a beautiful lake. The more natural one. I'm gonna ride my bike by a beautiful lake. For now, I'm going to make a coffee at home to take it with me. The correct one? For now, I'm going to make some coffee at home to take with me. The more natural one. I'm just gonna make some coffee at home and take it with me. Today, I'm going to ride a bicycle around a beautiful lake. It's a comfortable weather today. The correct one? Today, I'm going to ride a bicycle around a beautiful lake, and the weather is comfortable. I'm going to make coffee here to take it with me. Also, help me to wake up. The correct one? I'm going to make some coffee here to take with me. It will also help me wake up. The more natural one. I'm gonna make a cup of coffee to take with me. Hopefully, it will help me wake up. All these are stone lions. The correct one? These are all stone lions. Stone lions is everywhere in China. The correct one? Stone lions are everywhere in China. The more natural one. You can see stone lions all over China. There is a place that's more near to the lotus. The correct one? There is a place that is closer to the lotus. The more natural one. And here is a spot that's closer to the lotus. I also want to know where is my English partners comes from. The correct one? I also want to know where my English partners come from. The rain gets bigger again, so I have to stop here. The correct one? The rain is getting heavier again, so I have to stop here. The more natural one. The rain has picked up again, so I need to stop here. And that's all for today's video, my friend. We have looked back at some of my silly mistakes and learned the better and more natural ways to say them. I hope this helps you avoid the same mistakes in your own English journey. If you have enjoyed this, please let me know in the comments what kind of funny mistakes you have made before. I'd love to hear your stories. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. I'm Ollie. Bye bye.